Hi, I'm Alex, founder and technical director at Freedom One Life. Powered wheelchairs exist to liberate and empower people like me. Yet, the powerchairs I've used for over 20 years restricted my life due to limited range, breakdowns, and the constant fear of being stranded. It turns out I wasn't alone. I met other people who were just as fed up of having to plan their lives around their powertrain. So I decided to address the problem myself. And that's how Freedom One Life was born. I set up the company with a mission to stop powertrain users like myself from living in fear of being let down by their powertrains and instead live the life they choose.
We've spent the past 3 years working with Alex, otherwise known as our Head of Destructive Testing, to design a chair that combines lived experience with industry-leading design. We've completed thousands of hours of testing in real-world conditions and in the four corners of the globe, from the busiest street crossing in the world to a trail in the mountains, uneven streets to vast forests, and donuts in the snow to volcanic hot springs. We've been there, tried it, and tested it, sometimes broke it, and obsessed over every detail until it met our ridiculously high standards and was finally Alex proof. The result is the Series 5, a first of its kind, user-designed powerchair that promises to transform the lives of powerchair users across the globe. We designed the biggest battery we could fit into the Series 5, which delivers 3 times the range of our competitors with over 40 kilometers of real-world use on a single charge. From an onboard charger to a revolutionary, fully customizable and future-proofed user experience, the Series 5 is compact and agile enough to get into the narrowest of spaces on buses and trains. The integrated flight mode makes air travel easy, quick and safe. We've designed a power chair you can take anywhere. We couldn't be prouder of this product and have been overwhelmed by the response.
I would say this definitely has changed my perception of power chairs, that it is actually possible to build a chair that power chair users actually want, rather than the ones we're just given, that can deliver things like comfort and speed and not at the expense of user experience at all.
It doesn't feel like you're driving a conventional wheelchair. It feels a lot more dynamic and fun to drive.
The best thing about the Series 5 is not having to constantly check my battery gauge. It gives me the freedom to do what I want when I want. Rather than having my life controlled by my wheelchair, I control my life.
The global powerchair market is worth approximately £4.6 billion and is expected to more than double in the next 5 years. Our target regions are Europe and North America, where our addressable market will be worth around £6 billion by 2027. At £20,000, the Series 5 offers all of the top premium features at a mid-market price. So far, we have raised over £1 million to date, and this round of funding, together with an Innovate grant of £175,000, will enable us to undertake a full commercial launch of the product in May of 2022. This investment by you will enable us to build demonstration chairs to meet the demand from our UK and European distributors, and we will be making key hires to support this.
As an investor, I look for people solving problems that have been around for a while in new and elegant ways. Ultimately, an investment for me is always about a strong team and a strong product. Freedom One Life has both of these, and with Alex at the helm, it has the potential to become a world leader, creating real social impact and significant returns for investors.
This powerchair has literally changed my life and has enabled me to live the life I choose. With your support, we can help transform the lives of thousands of other powerchair users across the globe. I look forward to see your thoughts and welcoming you on this next stage of our journey.